He's in the forecast. We do have the chance of some afternoon thunderstorms here in Toronto. Let's just say that you're heading off to the airport this morning. Here's what you can expect. New York City today with a risk of thunderstorms at 22. Some showers this morning in Chicago. 24 is the temperature there. You can see a nice warm day in Ottawa with a daytime high of 27. We'll be warm here at home as well. Roads this morning nice and dry. Cloud cover builds, and once again through that afternoon, just be aware we have a slight risk of some pop-up showers and or thunderstorms into the evening. A high today 25, feeling closer to 28 with humidex. Tomorrow is going to be wet. It's going to be gray. It's going to be cooler with a temperature at 21. But don't worry, that is the last day of spring. First day of summer on Friday brings with it sunshine, clearing skies, and a high of 24. Let's look at your next 3 days. Now let's take a look at your news.